8 health benefits of nuts. Nuts are a totally famous food. They're tasty, handy, and may be enjoyed on all kinds of diets, from keto to vegan. Despite being high in fat, they have got some of astounding fitness and weight blessings. Here are the pinnacle 8 fitness benefits of ingesting nuts. What are nuts? Nuts are seed kernels which might be extensively utilized in cooking or eaten on their very own as a snack. They're high in fats and calories. They incorporate a tough, inedible outer shell that commonly wishes to be cracked open to launch the kernel internal. Fortunately, you can buy maximum nuts from the store already shelled and prepared to eat. Here are some of the most generally ate up nuts. Almonds, Brazil nuts, cashews, hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, walnuts. 1. A great source of many nutrients. Nuts are particularly nutritious. 1 ounce 28 grams of combined nuts includes calories 173, protein 5 grams, fat 16 grams, consisting of 9 grams of monounsaturated fats, carbs 6 grams, fiber 3 grams, vitamin E 12% of the RDI, magnesium 16% of the RDI, phosphorus 13% of the RDI, copper 23% of the RDI, manganese 26% of the RDI, selenium 56% of the RDI2. Loaded with antioxidants. Nuts are antioxidant powerhouses. Antioxidants, inclusive of the polyphenols in nuts, can fight oxidative stress by way of neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules which could purpose cell damage and increase sickness risk. Have a look at found that walnuts have a greater ability to combat loose radicals than fish. Research indicates that the antioxidants in walnuts and almonds can defend the sensitive fats to your cells from being damaged via oxidation. In one observed in 13 humans, ingesting walnuts or almonds increased polyphenol levels and drastically decreased oxidative harm, in comparison to a managed meal. Another observed located that 2 to 8 hours after eating complete pecans, individuals experienced a 26 to 33% drop in their degrees of oxidized, terrible LDL cholesterol, a chief chance thing for heart sickness. 3. May aid weight loss. Though they're taken into consideration a excessive calorie food, studies suggests that nuts may additionally assist you shed pounds. 1 huge examine assessing the results of the Mediterranean weight loss plan determined that human beings assigned to eat nuts lost an average of 2 inches 5 centimeters from their waists, appreciably more than the ones given olive oil. Almonds have consistently been proven to promote weight reduction rather than weight benefit in controlled research. Some research shows that pistachios resource weight reduction as properly. 4. May lower cholesterol and triglycerides. Nuts have extraordinary effects on LDL cholesterol and triglyceride ranges. Pistachios were shown to lower triglycerides in folks that are overweight and those with diabetes. In one 12-week take a look at in obese people, those consuming pistachios had triglyceride ranges nearly 33% decrease than inside the managed institution. The LDL cholesterol decreasing energy of nuts may be due to their excessive content material of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Almonds and hazelnuts seem to elevate top HDL cholesterol while reducing general and bad LDL cholesterol. 5. Beneficial for type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a common disorder affecting masses of thousands and thousands of human beings. Global metabolic syndrome refers to a group of danger factors that may boom your risk of coronary heart disorder, stroke, and sort 2 diabetes. Therefore, kind 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome are strongly linked. Interestingly, nuts can be one of the high-quality meals for humans with metabolic syndrome and sort 2 diabetes. First off, they're low in carbs and do not raise blood sugar stages a good deal. Thus, substituting nuts for better carb ingredients have to result in decreased blood sugar levels. 6. May reduce inflammation. Nuts have strong anti-inflammatory homes. Inflammation is your body's way of protecting itself from injury, bacteria, and different potentially harmful pathogens. However, chronic, lengthy-term irritation can purpose damage to organs and increase sickness danger. Research suggests that eating nuts can also lessen irritation and cell healthy growing old. 7. High in beneficial fiber. Fiber offers many health advantages. While your frame cannot digest fiber, the bacteria that live to your colon can. Many types of fiber characteristic as prebiotics or meals on your wholesome intestine bacteria. Your intestine bacteria then ferment the fiber and turn it into beneficial brief-chain fatty acids (SCFAs). Here are the nuts with the very best fiber content in keeping with 1 ounce 28-gram serving. Almonds, 5 grams. Pistachios, 2.9 grams. Hazelnuts, 9 grams. Pecans, 2.9 grams. Peanuts, 2.6 grams. Macadamias, 4 grams. Brazil nuts, 2.1 grams 8. May reduce your risk of heart attack. Nuts are superb to your coronary heart. Several studies advise that nuts help lower coronary heart ailment and stroke risk because of their benefits for cholesterol levels, bad LDL particle size, artery function, and inflammation. Studies determined that small, dense LDL debris may additionally growth coronary heart disorder hazard greater than larger LDL debris. Interestingly, one observed on the Mediterranean food regimen discovered that people who ate nuts had a huge decline in small LDL particles and an boom in massive LDL debris, as well as correct HDL levels of cholesterol. www.myhealthhint.com. Thank you for watching this video.